Okay, today's mini adventure is going to be, do we buy a new key for the Mini Cooper or do we rebuild the old one? Let's see what's best. Welcome to the Full Octane Garage. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Mini Cooper keys, and specifically the rechargeable keys, not the ones that you can change your battery in. This is in a 2007 to 2013 Mini Cooper. Ours happens to be an R55 Clubman. And these key fobs can be a little problematic as they age. We bought our Mini Cooper and it came with two key fobs. It actually came with two key fobs minus a key. So this is what we got when we bought the Mini. The problem is that the good news is one key fob worked and one key worked, so we'll set that aside. The second one we got looked like it had been maybe chewed a bit by a dog, and the batteries were dead, so they were no longer working. You'd insert it, nothing. So we went to the dealer. The dealer said to replace this particular element, the key fob, the remote itself, I could take in my VIN number with proof of ownership, and in about a day or two they would have me a key made for about $180. Now, secondarily, I still needed the key for the door. Again, take in proof of ownership to the dealership and they will get one cut literally in a day, and this cost me $36. So I got the key taken care of. I didn't want to spend $180 replacing what could be a viable key. I thought about just replacing the battery, but then I looked at how damaged it was. And I came across the Mini Key Hospital. The Mini Key Hospital is on a couple of the Mini user groups, and you can send it off to the Mini Key Hospital and the doctor will take the patient and do his magic to it. In my particular mode, I needed a new case. So the new hockey puck shell is $20. I needed a new battery. The battery was $15 for the rechargeable battery that goes in this. Looks like there was two micro switches that probably failed because of the dog chewing it. Those are $2.75 each, $2.75 each. Switch repair labor, $5. And then the key repair labor was $19.53. And that solved about everything. So all in, I was out the door for $72.43. So $72.43 minus from $180. So I saved $100 by taking an extra week, sending it off to the Mini Key Hospital, and having them take care of it for me. They were fantastic to work with. I shipped it out, and for some reason my shipment, I didn't do tracking. I went the cheapest possible shipment out to where he's located, and it took several days to get there. But once it got there, he got the thing turned around pretty quick. He did give me the option of him hanging on to it for an extra week so that he could do some testing, and that's what I went ahead and did some testing. So I got the new key fob back. The new key fob looks better than my original. It's all brand new, all very clean. The key snaps into it and locks. So now I have two fully functional keys, all in with the repair of the remote and the key. I'm all in for around $100. So now we have two functional keys for the Mini Cooper. I highly recommend the Mini Key Hospital. I will put some information in the text below on how to get a hold of the Mini Key Hospital. His website does not appear to be working, but his Facebook page does, and he has, I believe, a phone number to call. I am in no way associated with the Mini Key Hospital. He didn't do me any favors on this. I was just so happy not to have to spend $180 to replace something I could get done for $72. And now I have a spare piece of junk for the junk pile. So thanks for being with us at the Full Octane Garage. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends about all the cool content upcoming. And we look forward to seeing you back here very soon on the Full Octane Garage.